Our special assembly took us on a profound journey through the digital landscape, leaving a lasting impact on all who attended. We commenced with the reflective thought of the day, contemplating the delicate balance between the technological advancement and human connection.
Today is the ever-changing canvas of the humans, creativity, innovation, blending with the functionality to redefine the reality.
आज का सुविचार है तकनीक मानवता का वह सहारा है जो सपनों को भी हकीकत में बदल देता है.
A dynamic news update electrified the audience with the latest technological breakthroughs, showcasing the boundless potential that lies ahead.
Microsoft has banned employees from using AI chatbot of one of its largest cloud customers. Microsoft launches cost-effective and lightweighted AI model P3 Mini.
The word of the day gopher served as our guiding beacon, reminding us of the importance of being proactive and resourceful in navigating the complexities of the digital realm.
Word of the day description. Spelling TISR to PTIA, meaning the radical change or transformation faced by the introduction of technology.
A captivating speech explored the profound impact of technology on society, urging us to embrace its potential.
Surrounded by technological marvels that continue to reshape day. Internet connecting us globally to artificial intelligence, which enhances our capabilities and our skills.
Following this, a poignant poem celebrated the marvels of technology, painting a vivid picture of its transformative power in our lives.
And the glowing screen, where technology marks and looking like steam. Paying attention to mouse and click, and seeing the roads like never seen.
Lastly, a thought provoking skit shed light on the consequences of unchecked digital consumption, serving as a powerful reminder to cultivate balance in our digital lives.
Oh, really? Look at that. He's been studying so diligently all evening.
Yeah, he is really focused. I wish I could concentrate like that.
You can also concentrate like that, sweetheart, if you put your phone aside.
Yeah, I guess you are right.
Principal Sir shared words of appreciation and wisdom, instilling motivation.
Whenever you were invited like pizza or you were having few lines, that was little bit linking to that whole thing. That was giving an idea this is going to happen. This is what I really love and this is what I must appreciate. That is what I was asking, who helped them in preparing, but later on I got to know that yours. But technology somehow has navigated you for this whole wonderful preparation. So I think you may be watching today's theme, that is technology.
At last, Principal Sir distributed the participation certificates to the participants of class 12th. Birla Public School, Ganganagar, a step ahead.